Are you thinking of buying a home, yet you have concerns about your credit score, or maybe you have student loans? I'm Janet Bunting with Palmetto Coastal Homes, and I'm here with Kathy Ring of Gateway Mortgage. Kathy is a lender, and she's going to answer some of these questions for us. Kathy, what are ways that we can bring up our credit scores?
Well, a lot of times I have people who come in and talk to me and they think because they've never taken out any debt, they haven't borrowed money for a car, they haven't gotten a credit card, that they've got a really great credit score. Unfortunately, credit scores aren't based on not having debt, it's based on how you use credit. So the best way to improve your credit is to have at least 2 revolving credit cards that you are using not more than 30 to 50% of the credit available to you. So if you have a $1,000 credit line, you shouldn't charge more than $300 to $500 on it at any given time, and then pay it off. You need to wait until the bill comes in and pay it off once the bill comes in. Otherwise, I have some people who go and charge a tank of gas and they go home that night and they pay it off. Well, then it never shows that you're using the credit. You have to use credit and pay it off. You have to use it wisely in order to build your score. Now, if you have negative issues on your credit, such as collections, anything good that you're doing can be counteracted by that negative credit. So what would be good is to take a look at your credit report. You can go to freecreditreport.com and get a free one. It's not going to give you a score, but it is going to give you your report so you can see if there are any negative events there that would be counteracting anything that you're trying to do in a positive nature. There are some credit repair companies out there that are very reputable. There are some that are not. I could refer you to one that's a good one so that they can work with you to fix any of those negative issues. But sometimes it just takes time to do the right thing and to build up that credit.
Well, that's great advice. Now, the other question that I hear a lot is, and my own children have this, what if I have student loans and I want to buy a house? How can I work with this?
Again, it's an individual thing because it depends on how much you have in student loans. It depends on your situation. I do have some clients who work in positions where they can get those student loans forgiven and then they're not counted against them, even though maybe currently they're still on their credit report, but as long as they work somewhere for 5 years, they'll be forgiven. You may be on an income-based repayment plan that would work to help you with that. Each of the loan programs, FHA, VA, USDA, and the conventional loan programs, each have their own guidelines regarding student loan debt and how it's handled in the mortgage process. So it's really best to sit down with a loan officer and have it take a look at that credit report, see how it's reporting, and then we can maybe come up with a good way for you to address that and help you get a home loan. There have been times where I've had to say, I'm sorry, there's nothing you can do at this time, but then other times there's ways to kind of work around it and figure out a way to fix it.
Okay, well, that is great advice. I appreciate your time. If you have further questions or you need more information, give me a call, send me an email. Kathy or I would love to help you in any way that we can. And I appreciate you coming to watch this video. Thank you so much.
Thank you.